Having trouble with your PS4 showing cannot connect to server? Let's fix it step by step. First, go to settings and then network and then test internet network. This will show you if your PS4 is online. If it fails, restart your router and PS4 and try again. Next, check if PlayStation Network servers are down by visiting the official PSN status page. If servers are offline, you'll need to wait until Sony resolves it. If servers are fine, head back to your PS4 and go to settings and then network and then set up internet connection. Reconnect using either Wi-Fi or a LAN cable. For the best results, use a wired connection. Now go into custom setup and for DNS settings, choose manual. Enter Google DNS for primary and secondary. Save and retest your connection. If you still face issues, power cycle your router by unplugging it for 60 seconds, then reconnect, and maybe try to power cycle your PS4 too. Finally, if nothing works, contact your ISP for the check for restrictions. And that's it. Your PS4 should now connect to servers smoothly. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.